Welcome back to Making the Case. The decision of whether or not to get a COVID vaccine is a personal one. But for one man, that decision was made for him. An Ohio judge has ordered Brandon Rutherford to get vaccinated as a condition of his probation. If he fails to do so, he could face jail time. We reached out to Judge Christopher Wagner's office, the judge presiding over this case, for a statement, but haven't heard back. Brandon Rutherford and his attorney, Carl Lewis, are with me tonight to unpack all of this. Thank you both for being here. I believe Brandon is on by phone.
Yes.
Yodit, thank you so much for having me. Brandon Rutherford, my client, a dynamic young man. I'm glad you're on the phone, and I'm glad this has been exposed. I'm a big fan, Yodit. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. Brandon, let me start with you. Even though you could face jail time, you still won't get vaccinated. Would you mind sharing with us why?
It's just really against my beliefs. I don't want to get the vaccine. It's not something that I feel is needed for me personally. I don't shame on anybody that wants to. That's their personal decision. For me personally, I don't want to get it.
Carl, we're dealing with one of the worst pandemics in the last 100 years, but still, in all my years of practicing criminal law, I've never seen anything like this. Can Judge Wagner legally order Brandon to get a COVID vaccine?
Absolutely not. You, as an experienced attorney, can probably understand that when a judge's docket is called, there are multiple cases on the docket. And this was a case where we were set for sentencing. And when Brandon walked into the room, he had on a mask, which is not mandated. It's judge by judge choice. And the first question the judge asked my client is, why do you have on a mask? And everyone was just sort of taken aback. Sometimes the judge will ask you, why don't you have on a mask? He told the judge he thought it would be safe to have the mask on. And from there, the judge proceeded to sentence Brandon and said, I order you within 60 days to be vaccinated. And you could have heard a pin drop. I have never in my 32 years of practice heard a judge make that kind of order. And the Ohio Supreme Court and the First District Court has ruled that you cannot make this type of order when a person is on community control.
Are you familiar? Okay, so the judge went through a docket, clearly, so he had other people that he needed to sentence. Was this sort of line of questioning asked of other defendants?
You know, it was not. It's interesting because Judge Wagner, as you can tell, you have seasoned judges and new judges. And Judge Wagner, in my opinion, is a very good judge. He's a Democrat, was elected in a predominantly Republican county in Ohio. On January when he was elected, everyone was excited. One of the new judges, new faces, new energy. But he personally said, I believe that he should be vaccinated. And there is a judge in Cuyahoga, whose name Cuyahoga County, which is Cleveland, names escapes me, has ordered someone to take the COVID vaccine. Did not get as much traction as Brandon Rutherford's case. But again, all of the lawyers in the courtroom came to a stop and said, whoa, what did you just hear what the judge ordered? And Brandon told me when he stepped out, I don't want to take the vaccine. And I told my client, Brandon, you don't have to take the vaccine. We will take it up with the court. And just so you'll know, Yodit, you've heard it first, the judge has asked me to come in Thursday to discuss a motion that I filed to vacate and set aside that condition of the sentence requiring Brandon to get vaccinated. I hope and pray that he will do the right thing.
So you filed a motion earlier this week asking the judge to set aside that provision. Walk us through what's in that motion.
Well, the motion basically says, and again, as a criminal attorney, you know that the court of first impression, the trial court, is where we need to ask for our relief. One of the things that the judge shocked me with is that when the media contacted him, such as yourself, and I really applaud your efforts, he basically said, well, Brandon didn't object, Mr. Lewis didn't object, and we didn't object because we were shocked and couldn't believe what we heard. I could object to a judge telling my client had to do 10 years. That is not the type of relief you get. The motion says under the Supreme Court State v. Chapman, you cannot order an individual to get vaccinated. That case, a judge ordered an individual not to procreate, not to have any more kids. And the court is clear that on a community control sanction, probation, the conditions must, 1, be connected to the crime, 2, must reasonably be connected to rehabilitation, and 3, have some connection to avoiding criminal activity. None of that has anything to do with the COVID vaccine shot.
Which brings me to my next question, Brandon. The judge said you were in possession of fentanyl, which he says is deadlier than the vaccine. What is your reaction to the judge's comments?
If we being honest, first of all, he said that going off of based off the case, and I don't want to get too much into it, but anybody that knows me knows the real. So when he said that, like, me and a lot of my peoples, I already was knowing that they just trying to make it, they trying to really switch it, making it like that I'm really a criminal or whatever and all of that. He was really just trying to build a persona of me. That's all that was.
Carl, judges
Yes.
make similar types of decisions when it comes to a defendant's physical and mental health, like ordering them to stay away from drugs or alcohol or requiring them to seek mental health treatment. Explain why his condition that Brandon get vaxxed is different.
Well, you hit it right on the head. Let me just read this language. The community control conditions must reasonably relate to the goals of doing justice, rehabilitating the offender, and ensuring good behavior. A COVID vaccine, and now we know that the Pfizer vaccine just today received FDA approval. At the time this happened, all of the vaccines, and I am vaccinated, by the way, all of the vaccines were given emergency authorization. There is nothing about a COVID-19 vaccine that has anything to do with the administration of justice. I know that Judge Wagner is coming from a good place. I know he means well, but he's a judge who's taken an oath to follow the law. Despite what he may feel personally, he cannot interject that personal feeling or put an individual under an order based upon his personal feelings. The law is clear. You cannot order an individual to take the vaccine. You can't order an individual to not procreate. You can't order an individual not to hang out with certain individuals unless those individuals are convicted felons. But you cannot circumvent a person's life. You're a criminal attorney. You know that an order from a judge can't just be what he feels. It has to comport with the legislative mandates of the law, and that's what the judge has to follow is the law. In Ohio, you cannot order this gentleman to get a vaccine, and it will be interesting to see what the judge wants to discuss on Thursday. It's my belief and impression that the pressure he's received, he will make a change in this ruling, or will be going to the Court of Appeals.
I believe he's definitely going to be walking this back. It makes me wonder whether he would have imposed this condition had Brandon not worn a mask, which would be irresponsible of Brandon to do. All right, Brandon Rutherford and attorney Carl Lewis, thank you so much for your time. Still to come, we share how California's Attorney General commits to changing the pattern of police brutality.